Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viral Edits. Today we are going to learn how to make stylish glass font on a cover photo whose link is given in the description. For this purpose, you just have to open the Pixelab and go to these three dots, use image from gallery. After this, you will choose and we will adjust it each and every letter. So I will not do the same step. By avoiding this step again, just copy it and adjust each and every letter. So that's all guys, you just have to set the PNGs and add the texture into the font.